This is the Crack RX98. It's what we use for our crack repair system. We cannot guarantee that cracks won't come back, but the likelihood, if they're dealt with properly, it really minimizes the chances of that. So this is it. This is a polyurea because it is not like an epoxy in the fact that it dries very quickly, and it also quits curing at 4,000 psi. So its properties are very, very similar to concrete, which makes it a perfect choice of that. Now, when we're doing a crack repair, I've got a separate video that you can review for that, but I'll walk you through the process very quickly. Cut the crack out with a diamond blade, open it up, get it clean. And we're going to take this as a 2-component system. It goes in this 2-part gun. Put the cartridge in there. This is a mixing nozzle. This is a diffuser. You break this cap off, put the diffuser in, it mixes both, it allows material to come out equally on both sides. You screw this on, it mixes in the nozzle. Because this cures so quickly, you do not want to stop. Once you start putting material into the crack, you don't want to stop. So it's advisable to have 2 guys. One guy putting the material in the crack, another guy sweeping sand, because we put material in, sweep a little sand, put some more material in, sweep a little sand. 5-10 minutes later, when it starts setting up, we shave that off with a razor blade so that it's flush. Interior applications, you could bridge that with our anti-fracture membrane that even enhances or minimizes the opportunity for that to come back, but it's ready to overlay in just a matter of minutes. So use the Crack RX98 and be sure that you've done what you can to resolve the cracking issues in any slab.